Welcome to Day 1 of my 30-day one-stroke painting series. Let me quickly show you the materials. For the background, I am using cobalt blue, light blue, and white. I'm using small affordable acrylic paint bottles. They are slightly thinner in consistency than tube acrylic paints. And for the flowers, brilliant pink and white. For the center details, burnt sienna and cadmium yellow. For the leaves, brilliant yellow-green and sap green with a little yellow for highlights. And for the branches, raw umber. I'm using Filbert brush number 6. Flat brush number 8, flat brush number 6, round brush number 0, round brush number 6, liner brush number 2, and the canvas board size is 12 by 10 inches. I also have a spray bottle, a ceramic cup with water, and a cotton cloth to wipe my brushes. I begin by applying masking tape around the edges of the canvas to create a clean border. Now I place the background colors directly on the canvas. Cobalt blue around the outer edges. Light blue in the middle area. And white at the center. This placement will help us achieve a smooth gradient effect. I take my Filbert brush number 6. Dip it lightly in water. Wipe off the excess on the cloth. And begin blending. First, I spread the dark blue around the edges. The brush should be slightly damp, not too wet. Then I wash the brush, pat it dry, and blend the light blue area. Again, I clean the brush and blend the white at the center. Now I blend gradually from dark to light. Avoid mixing all colors randomly. Move gently between shades to create a soft transition. Here, I switch to a larger Filbert brush, number 12. A bigger brush helps smooth the blend. I continue blending in soft circular motions until the background looks even and smooth. Take your time with this step. A well-blended background makes the flowers stand out beautifully. Once blending is complete, I carefully remove the masking tape. Now I let the background dry completely before starting the flowers. Next, I pour brilliant pink and dot white onto my palette. I mix these two colors in equal portions to create a soft light pink shade. Using a charcoal pencil, I lightly draw a reference line to guide the placement of the branch. Now, I load my brush with light pink on one side and darker pink on the other. Move the brush back and forth on the palette to prepare it for one-stroke painting. I begin placing the flowers. Some fully open, some half open, and a few closed buds. This creates a natural composition. Each petal is made with a gentle press and lift motion. I add highlights by loading white with a touch of dark pink. This adds dimension and makes the petals look soft and layered. I also create a few twisted petals for variation and realism. Next, I paint the branches using raw umber with a round and liner brush. Keep the lines flowing and natural. Avoid making them too straight. Soft curves make the branch look realistic. Now I add small buds along the branch. These tiny details bring life to the composition. Next, I load the brush with sap green and brilliant yellow green to paint the leaves. Add a touch of yellow for soft highlights. Do not overcrowd the branch, keep it light and balanced. Finally, I add small finishing details to the flowers and adjust highlights where needed. Take a step back and observe your painting. Small adjustments can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In day 2, we will learn basic one-stroke petals painting. This is an important foundation step for mastering this technique. And this completes day 1 of our 30-day one-stroke painting series. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.